Hi, this is Rock Cash Ram with the Rock Cash Ram Real Estate Group, and I'm here with Mitchell to introduce you to our newest listing at 6294 Swanbrook.
Now this listing is in the heart of Delhi. We have an elegant, classy 4-bedroom home with a beautiful setting and backyard. Let's go inside and check it out. We're greeted by an awesome living room that has a ton of natural light. But let's take you to one of my favorite parts, which is the kitchen. Now our kitchen has an open concept to the family room. We have high-end appliances, copper farmer sink, along with a wet bar off to the side here. Well, now we're upstairs and I want to show you our next favorite highlight, a large master bedroom along with master bathroom. I talked about class and elegance, and this is it at its finest. Now we're in the basement of our listing here on Swanbrook, and let me tell you, this one is for the books. We have a full bar and kitchen, granite countertops, but it also leads us to a great entertainment spot. Perfect place to hang out with family and friends. We're gonna end our tour here today in our beautifully landscaped and well-maintained backyard. For more information or schedule showing, please contact me at 513-703-7774.